If you need to check your Google Chrome version, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find your Chrome version in just a few clicks, and you'll also see whether your browser is fully updated or still downloading the latest update. This is useful for troubleshooting, checking compatibility with websites or extensions, and making sure you're using the latest secure version of Chrome. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click those three dots to open the main menu. From the menu, move your mouse down to Help. A side menu will appear, and from there, click About Google Chrome. This will take you to the Chrome version page. On this screen, Chrome will automatically check for updates, and right at the top you'll see the version number of your browser. You'll also see the update status, such as whether Chrome is up to date, checking for updates, or updating right now. If an update is available, Chrome may begin installing it automatically. If it says up to date, then you're already running the latest version. This is the fastest and easiest way to check your Chrome version, without needing to dig through settings or system information. You can use this method anytime you want to confirm your browser version before installing an extension, reporting a problem, or following a tutorial that requires a specific Chrome release. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Chrome version in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide.